Welcome to part 4, Publisher Rocket's category search feature. In this video, we're going to show you how to find the best categories for your book that will not only increase your chances at becoming a bestseller, but will help you to get your book seen by more shoppers. And with that, let's begin. Did you know that there are over 12,000 plus different categories and subcategories on Amazon? The hard part is that Amazon doesn't list every category for you in one spot. Instead, authors are left having to hunt around on Amazon and see what potential categories exist, or sift through the other books and look at what they have chosen. This is even harder now that Amazon doesn't show the full category strings on your sales page, which is what you'll need in order to get listed for those. And if you were to manually do this correctly, it would take hours just to find most of the possibilities out there. Furthermore, you're usually left with even more steps just to figure out if a category is too competitive or not. Luckily though, with Rocket, you won't have to do that. With our category feature, you can now see all 12,000 plus categories and even see how many sales you need in order to be the next #1 bestseller for that particular category. Basically, it takes all the guesswork out of it for you. To get started finding the best categories for your book, first click Category Search here or here. Next, you'll want to let Rocket know if you want to search for book categories, ebook categories, or both. You can do that by selecting here. Now that you've let Rocket know which type you're looking for, there are two ways to search for categories. The first is by digging deep into a main category and seeing what category strings exist inside of it. Start by finding a main category you'd be interested in and click Check It Out. Here, you will find the full category strings of every category inside that main category, which you'll need in order to get your book attached to that category. And like I said before, it's something Amazon no longer shows you like they used to on a book sales page. Rocket also shows up to 3 tags here, which call out important aspects to help you make the right category choices. If a category is tagged as selectable, that means it is available in the KDP menu as an option for your book. Without this tag, you can't put your book into the category directly, although the category still shows in the Amazon store. The duplicate tag indicates this category shows up in multiple areas of the KDP menu under different names. By hovering over the tag, you can see a list of each of those different names that all refer to the exact same place on the Amazon store. The ghost tag means Amazon does not show this category to customers on the store. Plus, books cannot rank or become bestsellers for ghost categories. Instead, books show up in the parent category above the ghost category, which you can find here. You can also see a list of sister ghost categories here to help you avoid selecting multiple of them since they each roll up into the same parent category. The number of books you need to sell that day in order to be the new #1 bestseller in that category, the number of books that you need to sell that day in order to be in the top 10 of that category, the percentage of books in that category owned by a large publisher, and the percent of books in that category enrolled in Kindle Unlimited. Also, if you'd like to take a look at the category and the books that rank for it, just click here and the Amazon page will open up for you. To make finding the perfect category easier, you can click up here on any of the headers and Rocket will reorder the list from least to greatest. So, as an example, if you'd like to see the easiest categories to become a #1 bestseller in Amazon, just click here once. And the subcategories will be listed from easiest to hardest, just like that. Another way to help you find the best category is through our search filter bar up here. With this search bar, if you type in a word or phrase, Rocket will filter out any category strings that doesn't have that exact word or phrase in it in real time. So as an example, if you'd like to see every military type category in the science fiction and fantasy main category, just type in military and instantaneously all category strings that don't have that word military will be removed, leaving you only the strings that have military in it. And if you'd like to go back and select another main category, or just go back to the main category page, click here. Okay, the next way to search for a category is through our all category filter search bar here on the main page. With this, if you want to see every category string in every main category that has a specific word in it, just start typing. It's important to note that you must type in at least 3 letters before Rocket will start pulling up categories. An example of how useful this is say you want to see every category that has DOG in it, dog. Just type in dog, and Rocket will get to work pulling up every category string that has DOG in it. This helps to save time because there are dog category strings in the main categories of calendars, humor and entertainment, crafts and hobbies, science and math, sports and outdoors, nonfiction, and more. But with this, all possible dog categories will be listed for you in one simple action. This can really help because through this, as you just saw, you'll find some real gems hidden in main categories no one else would think to look for them in. Also, just like the previous method, all the data from before is still there, and you can rearrange the categories by clicking here. You can also decide to change the filter by clicking here, and if you want to go back, just delete what you've typed in.
Now, as many authors know, Amazon is an ever-changing system and they update their sales values constantly. But the good thing is Rocket works to keep up with it and updates the sales values every 3 days or so. With a historic category tracker, you also have the ability to drill into any specific category by clicking on the Insights button. This lets you see advanced analytics sourced from real market data on Amazon. For example, let's investigate the space fleet subcategory. Rocket shows top stats about the category's bestsellers, such as the price, age, ratings, and page count. Independent authors and traditional publishers often use different pricing strategies, so Rocket shows the average for both them. In addition, Rocket reveals which publishers are most active in this category, in case you want to try working with them in the future. In this bottom section, Rocket graphs out how many sales bestsellers in this category make per month, which you can think of as the size of the category. Right away, we can see if a category is growing or shrinking on Amazon, which can help you research trends, seasonality, and the market's interest level. The monthly growth of a category's bestsellers is called out here, so you can quickly identify its momentum. Rocket also gives an overview of the category, breaking down the data into a quick, actionable summary. Here, you can see how fast the category is growing, as well as information about category size, competition, and profitability. Below that, Rocket picks out unique insights about the particular category, letting you know what makes it special compared to the rest of Amazon, such as if the price is lower than normal or if it's heavy in Kindle Unlimited books. In addition, if you want to see similar categories to this one, click on the Related Categories button. Rocket shows you categories you may have missed in your search, which you can then go add to your book if they are applicable. This is especially powerful since these categories may be niche and scattered all across the Amazon store, but now you can find them easily in one place.
So, as you can see, Publisher Rocket not only helps you to effectively and efficiently find categories, it will also provide you with the necessary numbers to be able to select the best ones for your books, saving you hours of time and giving you the best chance for bestseller status, all with a simple click of a button.